Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 2nd, 2018, and I'm going to be planting some birdhouse gourd seeds today. Now, the wind is really blowing up here, so I can't show you everything, but I'm going to be planting them in reused toilet paper, the cardboard from the empty toilet paper things. And I folded the bottoms over, and I put just regular Miracle-Gro potting mix in it. And then I'm also going to be using the newspaper pots. So I'll leave a link below for how to make the newspaper pots. Basically what I did for the toilet paper containers, you can hear the wind blowing everything around, is I just cut the bottom some and I folded the ends over. And then I stuffed my my soil in them. So I'll show you what gourd seeds look like. Hold on a moment. So this is what a gourd seed looks like here for the bottlehouse gourds. Now these can vary some depending on what variety you get, and gourds do not transplant well, so that's why we're going to be starting them in these containers here so that we can transplant them then. So I put my seed in here, and gourd seeds go about 1.5 inches deep. So I'm just pushing it down in with my finger here. And I already made my soil nice and wet, and I'm just going to be covering it here. And these can take 10 to 20 days to germinate, and they can take 120 to 130 days to harvest. So I should have actually had these planted sooner. But I had some other stuff come up that I just didn't get to plant them yet. It was real cold for us, and now all of a sudden it's getting hot. So I gotta get these planted here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna close this little, it used to be a lettuce tray. I poked holes in the top and the bottom, and I'm gonna make it into a little greenhouse. And I'm gonna put it out in the sun so that they germinate quicker for us. And my seeds were pre-chilled, so that's gonna help them to come up faster. I had them in the refrigerator, the seed pack in a Ziploc bag, and I had chilled them before I planted them. So I'm gonna plant the rest of these here, and when they come up, I'll come back with another video and I'll show you what they look like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.